Alright, picture this. You're scrolling through ancient texts, dusty tomes, and you stumble upon something wild. The second book of Enoch. Ever heard of it? Yeah, not the one in your regular Bible. This is sometimes called the Slavonic Book of Enoch, and it's got some of the most mind-bending stories you've never heard. Let's set the scene. Scholars think this book was written somewhere between the 1st century BCE and the 1st century CE. That's more than 2,000 years ago. It popped up in what's now Eastern Europe, and unlike the more famous Book of Enoch, this one survived mostly in Old Church Slavonic, so it's got its own flavor. Now, who's Enoch? According to ancient tradition, he's the great-grandfather of Noah, the flood guy, and a mysterious figure who walked with God. In the second book of Enoch, the story kicks off with Enoch suddenly being whisked away by two dazzling angels. They take him on a cosmic journey through 10 different heavens. Not 7, 10. Each heaven is wilder than the last. In the first, Enoch sees angels running the world, sending snow and dew and stuff down to earth. By the third heaven, he's peaking at paradise, and then at a place of punishment for the wicked, which honestly sounds like something out of a horror movie. The higher he climbs, the weirder it gets. There's a heaven of archangels, a place of celestial records, and finally, Enoch gets to the top, where he meets God face to face. But here's where it gets trippy. God gives Enoch secret knowledge, how the universe works, how time flows, even how to make incense and offerings. It's like ancient cheat codes for life. And then, God transforms Enoch into the angel Metatron, making him one of the most powerful beings in the heavenly hierarchy. Not bad for a great-grandpa. What makes the second book of Enoch so fascinating is how it blends creation myths, morality, and wild cosmic journeys. It influenced Jewish mysticism, early Christian thought, and even shows up in some weird places in pop culture. So next time you think ancient texts are just dusty old stories, remember, some of them are stranger, darker, and way more mysterious than you'd ever guess. That's the second book of Enoch in a nutshell.